show you my top 5 video games of all time. One of them is not an Xbox 360 game, but I said of all time. It's a GameCube game, but it's pretty good. So let's get started. Number 1. Number 5. Zelda Collector's Edition. It's the GameCube game I was talking about. It's pretty cool. It's got 4 games. Fun. Number 4. Sega Superstars Tennis. It's pretty cool. It's play tennis, be any Sega character you feel like, and that. Number 3. Star Wars The Force Unleashed. Awesome. It's like you're the apprentice, use the Force on anything you want, pretty much. Go over to any enemy, your side or on the other side, and kill them. Ooh. Soul Calibur 4. Number 2. It's really awesome. You can create characters that look like practically any character. Like, I saw on YouTube someone who made a character that's Link from Zelda. It's pretty cool. This one, the best game, Mirror's Edge. It's an awesome first-person game. Go over to enemies, take their weapons, beat the crap out of anyone, just anything. So those were my top 5 games of all time. I encourage you to get some. They're pretty cool. Yeah. So bye for today.